Yes, we're back! In 4 years, we have launched 6 successful Kickstarter campaigns, creating chef-grade cookware together with our 22,000 backers worldwide. With this campaign, we take a new step in one of the hottest debates within our community and cookware industry. Should cookware have a non-stick coating? Non-stick coatings have become the standard in frying pans for their ease of use. But are they sustainable or healthy? Chefs often condemn them as not being the real deal. Therefore, our Captain Taco went back to the drawing board, all the way back to our first Blackbeard prototype, redesigning it with all the feedback from our crowd. What would be the purest pan imaginable? Meet the Naked Pan, no coating whatsoever. The inner layer is entirely made of non-toxic, incredibly durable titanium. It's the most biocompatible metal there is, so safe that surgeons even use it within the human body. But we still advise you not to eat your Naked Pan. Titanium is a costly material, but by doing this together, we can offer the pans twice as little as other titanium cookware. The Naked Pan can be used on all heat sources every day, for every dish, and for a lifetime. The pan subtly reaches the perfect temperature with very little heat. And by saving on heat, you can actually earn your titanium pan back. The Naked Pan will change the way you cook. Although it might take you a few tries to master cooking without any coating, you will never want to go back. This is how we create chef-grade cookware for a fair price together with the crowd.